Hey pilots, this is Adrian with Dronifi, and today I want to show you the basics of Turf Solutions. Let's get started. When we first log in, we're going to click on Turf Solutions, and then we're going to look for the property that we already uploaded and stitched. If you haven't uploaded any images yet, click here. Once you select your property, it's going to drop you on Action Items. Let's click on Findings. We're going to want to start off by clicking on Findings, grouping Findings by fairways, opening our first fairway. Now let's click on High Vigor. Here we can see where all the grass is doing well. Now let's click on Turf Stress. Here we can see where all the grass needs some work. Now let's say that we know that this section here needs more water. What we can do is we can create an action item, select Irrigation Test, and assign it. The person you assign it to will get a notification of the action item that you just submitted. Now let's look at the Report tab. From this page you can do a lot of things, starting with sharing the report with the superintendent. Flight comparison allows us to juxtapose two different RGB flight dates. A comparison between indexes, where we can select different dates and different indexes. This allows us to see the change of grass health over time. We can see action items and any region progress. If we click on the block, we can see exactly what the numbers are, and we can add an action item. And lastly, we can see the findings. This allows us to see the change of turf stress over time. That's going to be it with this tutorial. Thanks for watching. And remember, when you fly, Dronify.